of the most satisfying slimes to play with, in my opinion, is definitely the fluffy slime. So today, we'll be showing you how to make the best and fluffiest fluffy slime. First up, we'll need 1 cup of white glue to add it into the bowl. And in this video, we'll be using Elmer's school glue. Okay, so this is the most important ingredient to making the slime super fluffy. We'll need to add 1 cup of shaving foam. By the way guys, if you use a shaving foam that already has an amazing scent with it, you'll get a really nice scented fluffy slime. Hashtag slime hack. Next, we'll be mixing in this raspberry scented foaming hand wash. This is to give the slime extra fluffiness. And again guys, if you have a nicely scented hand wash, it will help make your slime smell even better. Next, we'll mix in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of lotion. The cornstarch makes the fluffy slime a bit more firm. That way it doesn't melt too fast. The lotion will make the slime a lot smoother and softer to play with. Then we'll add in blue coloring because I think it looks the best. Guys, you can add any color you want and do multicolors if that's what you like. So anyways, it's time to get stirring. Once you get this buttery texture, it's time to activate the slime. The activator I like to use is half a tablespoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of warm water. Once you have your activator ready, slowly add in a few pumps and knead it with your hand. It will be sticky at first, but after some time, you'll get this amazing fluffy texture. Guys, remember to add the activator slowly so you just don't overactivate the slime. Otherwise, it'll get too hard and be less fun to play with. And here it is guys. Check out how stretchy, clicky, and poppy this slime is. This slime is actually super fun to play with and you can do the best swirls with it. Alright guys, that's how to make the best fluffy slime. Let us know down below if you like this recipe, and if you love fluffy slime as much as I do, stay tuned for more crazy slime action. Don't forget we post 3 videos every week on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you! Mwah!